I have a word of advice. It's just an advice.
I got the advice from a madman.
Young upcoming artists, just like me, please leave cult group so that you will live long. Most of these record labels are cult and occultic groups. Their demands are simple. You will not hear it from my mouth.
You're a bad boy.
They are going to demand so much from you just to get to the top quickly. But the truth is, with patience, discipline, hard work, and God by your side, we will all get to the top. Just calm down. Though it may take long, but sincerely, you will get to the top. And as for you, you view all this content that you think it is very easy. It's not easy. An upcoming artist will compose a song, create a video, a comic video, an educative video, informative video, sometimes edit it. Even if it's not a video, a write-up, it's not really easy to create content. If it's easy, create your own. The only thing you're going to do for this upcoming artist is to like that content, comment, or share. Not just viewing and you laugh and you laugh and you laugh, or you say, wow, 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 like ambulance. Or you just say, he's doing well. Without you liking, without you sharing, without you commenting, that's the only way to support this upcoming artist. If you're not doing this, then you are a god bro.
God have mercy upon us.
You are a god bro.